Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the light on the Xbox Series X or even the controller. So if you no longer want to see that when your console is turned on, well, go to settings right here and select this. Then under general, let's go to TV and display options. Then go to night mode. Then let's go to the right and scroll on down. And then the first option is controller brightness. Let's go to this and select it. Now we can go to the accessories for this, and I do have the Elite controller, so this is going to be a little bit different for me. So I can go to configure right here, and then I can go to edit, and I can actually go to color right here, and I can completely turn this off. So here's the brightness. I can just bring this all the way down to the left, and then turn off the brightness on my controller. Now to do this on your console, let's go back to the home screen here, go to settings, then go to general TV and display, go to night mode, and then right under that is power button brightness. So mine is at 50%, but if we bring it to 100%, you're going to notice the light will be a little bit brighter. Bring it to 50%, it's going to dim, and then we can go to off. So you will no longer see it when it's on, so you'll just hear the beep. So if you want to completely turn that on or off, or just reduce the brightness a little bit, come to this section, and you can easily do that. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.